Deanne here to tell you about our bidet. And the last time I was hugging a toilet like this, I had food poisoning. So this is going to be a way more enjoyable experience. I kind of laughed when my husband said he bought a bidet, and I didn't think we really needed one, but let me tell you, it's kind of the best thing ever. So let me show you the Saniwise one and tell you a little how it works. So it's going to come with all the hardware you need. This is the little knob. And then you can choose if you want front or rear. And then what it looks like is just a normal toilet. So you really can't tell anything different. And then the lid is a slow close lid, which is great, especially if you have little kids like we do. It's like a super slow close lid. Anyways, if you've been looking for a bidet, this one's awesome. I highly recommend it. Easy to install. My husband did the install. And it looks totally normal on your toilet. So if you have like guests or people visiting, they're not going to be all intimidated. And it's awesome.